Oracle Maintenance Cloud is an integrated enterprise asset management system that provides you with the ability to define and maintain assets, using maintenance processes that are consistent and repeatable. Oracle Maintenance Cloud was designed for the cloud from the ground up, leveraging modern technology to improve performance. Our vision for Oracle Maintenance Cloud includes capabilities to enable multiple maintenance strategies, from reactive to prescriptive. Maintenance Cloud's robust foundation and flexibility will support your maintenance journey as it evolves. The asset is the foundation of Maintenance Cloud. Its asset model provides a flexible and robust common data model that supports enterprise-owned and customer-owned assets. Oracle Maintenance Cloud supports different flavors of an asset, including maintenance, operations, and financial. Information pertinent to each owner will vary. From the asset, you can access a 360-degree view of asset, meters, and asset hierarchy. The physical asset hierarchy is essential for locating the asset at your site to report a problem. It is leveraged in the asset cost roll-up to identify where and what assets are the most expensive to maintain. This capability supports a repair or replace methodology. The work definition provides a guided repair and defines both labor and material requirements. By populating a library of work definitions, Maintenance Cloud reuses these job plans to create work orders more efficiently and more accurately. The maintenance program provides an easy-to-use scheduling capability, enabling you to schedule by calendar, meter, or IoT. The maintenance program is designed with a progressive discovery approach, where the information builds on itself until complete to reduce the potential for user errors. Think of it as a progressive dinner without the heartburn. Note the visual display of relevant information to the right, feeding the overall program. You can view unreleased, released, complete, and forecasting work orders in a Gantt chart or calendar format. This capability gives maintenance a visual depiction of when the work is planned. The calendar view's display can be changed to be more granular or more long-term. For example, from a week to a month. The Manage Maintenance Work Order page provides features for the maintenance manager to efficiently create and manage work orders. It supports the ability to easily search and review the work order by work order status or other relevant criteria, and take the necessary action, or review the costs associated with the work order. Users can also easily create new reactive or corrective work orders by quickly accessing the Work Definitions library. Additionally, you can also mass release work orders, place work orders on hold, or complete work orders as required. From the maintenance work order, you can view and print guided instructions for the repair. These can include videos, attachments, and websites. You can purchase materials, schedule resources down to individuals or specific equipment. MRO inventoried items are automatically ordered through min-max based on your material stocking levels. When maintenance doesn't have a spare in inventory, you may need to order it through procurement. Asset-intensive companies are driven by this demand and the efficiencies of their MRO supply chain. The integration between Maintenance Cloud and Procurement Cloud will enable maintenance to navigate to a shopping page from the work order to manually create purchase requisitions with a work order and operation reference. These parts will be received and delivered directly to the work order. From the dispatch list, the maintenance technician can easily review and update the operations they are responsible for completing. With just 2 clicks, the operation is done, saving them time. Plus, Maintenance Cloud is designed for a ruggedized tablet for work on the go. Maintenance Cloud tracks where and on what assets maintenance is spending money. This information helps determine what maintenance strategies to employ on the different assets, and/or help support those repair versus replace decisions. Public APIs are available for assets, meters, work definitions, maintenance schedules, work orders, resource and material transactions. This enables Maintenance Cloud to communicate with external systems. Maintenance Cloud's integration with our Oracle Internet of Things, IoT applications, helps support predictive and prescriptive maintenance methodologies by addressing the following: predict when assets or parts will fail, predict the cost of maintenance, optimize planned maintenance intervals, predict the optimal maintenance schedule for an asset, predict root cause of failure based on symptoms, predict which part to replace to fix a problem, predict optimal action plan to resolve a problem, detect anomalies in cost, quality, and utilization, and much more. Oracle Transactional Business Intelligence, OTBI, enables ad hoc reporting. Note the subject areas available for Maintenance Cloud.